Hey Tuties, it's Rachel. What's up with you today? We are being spoiled rotten with endless Tay-Tay content. In this video, we'll be starting off with his official music video for Blue. And then after that, we have 4 live performances. Starting with Rainy Days, Love Me Again, Slow Dancing, and then ending off with Blue. Honestly, one of the reasons I fell in love with Tay-Tay was because of his voice. And when he's live, it's even better than the studio recording. But anyways, guys, there is literally no more time to waste. I'm so excited for this Tay marathon. Let's get it. Right, so we're here for the Blue official music video. We've actually heard the track, and honestly, the soulful vibes and the way his voice sounds is honestly stunning. But anyways, guys, I'm so ready for this. The mullet is already gonna send me, but let's get it. The acting already, Tay-Tay.
What if I show you?
It's the same block as Slow Dancing.
Green, yellow, red, blue. Whatever seems good to you. 다르게 하루 빌려온 별들 널 보내 모두. But baby you still blue.
The acting skills are going off. I'm in love with the black and white vibes. It's like we're watching a mini film. It looks like the same apartment as in Slow Dancing. Correct me if I'm wrong. But here it looks like he's been knocking on this person's door. Because they're not answering, he's gone to the place where he knows the key, the spare key must be. And because it's not there, he's like, feeling blue. Oh my God. This is literally a film.
빌려온 별들 널 보내 모두. But baby you still blue, 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 blue.
You can literally feel his anger, frustration.
요즘에 자주 내 쉬는 한숨. You're sinking me too. 다 말해줘 전부.
This bad boy has been here already. Oh my goodness, the security's there and is like, not this one again. Ooh, who has done Tay-Tay so wrong? Seriously though, this boy knows exactly what he's doing. That side profile, and he always loves giving us a POV of being a passenger princess.
요즘에 자주 내 쉬는 한숨. You're sinking me too. 다 말해줘 전부. So swing my way, baby. Let me close you and feel the world move. Fly away, fly away. Blue, 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 blue.
It's like a repeated cycle. man has to be in it again. Oh my goodness. I actually love what Tay is doing. His artistic side is flowing on another level. Of course, he already has acting experience from other BTS music videos, but also from acting in Hwarang. And you can see in this that his acting skills are on another level. Even the rain, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. Oh my goodness, there's so much relevance to all of his other music videos as well. I love it. Oh, this is just so good. Now I just can't wait for the live performances. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm so excited right now. This is the first time Tay Tay is performing any of his new songs. So let's start with Rainy Days. I love the set. I love how he's acting in his live.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like staring at my.
Oh my goodness, this man looks insane. The all white comfy tracksuit outfit is giving, with the red headphones and the red mic with the red speakers in the back. Oh my goodness, the attention to detail is on point, but also his voice. It's just so vibey. It sounds even better than the studio track. Oh, let's just bring it back.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like staring at my phone engage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, baby. 이젠 지난 이래 맨날 time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, it's still the same.
The bass.
좋지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to that moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
I love how he's acting whilst he's performing.
Find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like.
That little look over, oh my goodness, he knows exactly what he's doing and how to play with our hearts. Holy moly, Tay Tay.
Right back to you. Oh, rainy days like.
Right back to you. Oh, okay. Oh my god, the vibe.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 할 자격 없어도 Let me make you for all the time you lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지, and I miss you.
The way he did that verse.
What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like. I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days.
my god, did you see the way he just walked away?
Find the way right back to you. A rainy day's like
Kim Tae-young. Oh my god! Wow, holy moly, the outfit! The outfit with that setup just in the studio, so casual, was everything. And even though it was a casual outfit, he did not just give us one version of it. He decides to come out with this.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도.
When you listen to the track and hear him live, it's exactly the same but even better. That's how beautiful and perfect his voice is. I loved it. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for the next one. Please, as a Tay stan, don't ask me to say which one is my favorite and which one is my least favorite, because there is none. But Love Me Again just has a special place in my heart. I think it was like the first one that was released, the way Tay Tay looked in the caves with those outfits, and I just find myself randomly singing, I wish you would love me again. Okay, anyways guys, let's get it. I love how he's doing the sets, like the music video.
추억도 의미 없이.
I need a moment. I know I saw a little bit of this in the teaser, but that actually hit different. The way it opened up, showing us the wettish slick back hair, the suit from head to toe, and then this set is beautiful. Got a bit of rainy days there. I love how the screens are in photo frames. It's so artsy and it's so Tay Tay. Okay, let's just bring it back.
추억도 의미 없이 내게 넌 사라지고 이쯤에도 I can't let you go, let you go. 그 말이 다인 거니 한마디만 남기고 후회하며 Let me know, let me know. Yeah. 그래 나 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭐 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
Oh my goodness, his voice is actually too beautiful for words. And the backup singers that he has complements him to a T. This is beautiful.
어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭐 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. 나만 자꾸 이런 거지. 내 옆에 다른 사람 괜찮니? 여천으로 천천히 Make you feel better, yeah, make it forever. 괜찮단 말하지마. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말이야, 떠나지마. 저리 가지만 멀리. 너는 매일 어떤 사람, 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby.
No, this is actually incredible. The fact that already in the song, The Lost Without You, Baby, is one of the most beautiful parts, and he does it live and it sounds even better. The way the backing track was playing just then and he was chiming in, you can hear how powerful Tay Tay's live voice really is. This is everything.
너는 매일 어떤 사람, 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again.
Oh my gosh, that one actually made me melt in my chair. He's always had such a soulful voice, and when you mix it with these R&B vibes, it's just beautiful. The studio version was already so stunning, but his live voice, the way he switched up the you baby in the two different parts, oh my goodness, and we're getting different looks each time. Okay, let's get it for the next one. Right, so now we have slow dancing. In the music video, we saw that he was giving us vibes of actual dancing in there. Also, we haven't had any other dances for his songs, and he's been posting so much on his Instagram, random dances and different styles of dance. So I'm hoping in this slow dancing, we're gonna get some form of Tay Tay moving. But anyways, guys, let's get it. Ooh, I love how we just went into the TV. The suspense. Look at that stage.
It's about time we get it straight. Give me a minute if it ain't too late. 대충 무리였나 봐, baby. 애만 깊은
The looks that he's giving us, oh my goodness, in every single live he's given us, he will sing to the mic and do the slow looks, just like the vibes from Singularity. This man knows exactly what he's doing. I love the casual outfit.
It's about time we get it straight. Give me a minute if it ain't too late. 대충 무리였나봐 baby. 애만 깊으면 해친 채 버티기가 이만큼 힘든데 Stay with me till the end of the day. Maybe we could be slow dancing until the morning. We could be romancing the night away. Yeah, turning me up and back up like this. What do you want? Do you not like it? Stop teasing me, girl. Now you made me leave my heart out here. 난 딛고 올라가 다시 새로운 누군가. 닮았던 우리가 먼 이웃 같은 날. Maybe we could be slow dancing until the morning. We
Till the morning. Oh my goodness, I love the way that he's moving on stage. But when you just heard the track and then him sing on top of it, the power of Tay Tay's voice is unmatched.
이웃 같은 날. Maybe we could be slow dancing until the morning. We could be romancing the night away. Yeah.
The cap. Oh, stop! Oh my goodness, I was literally hoping for this. I love the casual dancing. It looks like they're improvising, but you can tell it's choreographed because there's certain moves they do together and also the way he's dancing to the beat. But I love how casual it is at the same time. That's the vibe he wants to give us with this song. Dance to it however you like. Ah! Oh my goodness, and he looks so happy. This bit's freestyle. The cheeky Tay face at the end. Oh my god, I love it. I just need to go back to that cheeky Tay face. Oh my god, yes. Oh my goodness, did you see how much fun he was having at the end? Just jamming. I loved that. I was really hoping we were going to get some sort of dancing because we've all seen Tay Tay dance. He has his own vibe about it and it's just a joy to watch. Honestly, all of these lives, the way they link together, so clever. The sets are so interesting as well. They all relate to the music videos, the outfits. Anyways, guys, this is going to be the last live performance and it's going to be blue.
What if I show you and make it all new? Green, yellow, red, blue. Whatever seems good to you. 다르게 하루 빌려온 별들 널 보내 모두. But baby you still blue, 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 blue.
Oh my goodness. It's literally in black and white. That sets the tone. It goes perfectly with the song. He looks like a rock star on his solo stage. All of the lighting and the fog at the bottom. And don't get me started about the fact that he's wearing the outfit from the music video.
Green, yellow, red, blue. Whatever seems good to you. 다르게 하루 빌려온 별들 널 보내 모두. But baby you still blue, 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 on and on and on. On and on and on. 요즘에 자주 나 쉬는 한숨 It's thinking me too.
It's changing color.
다 말해줘 전부. So sing my way, baby.
So first we get Tay Tay back in color, and the way he is singing into that mic with the bites. Are you about to send me to my grave? Holy moly boy, holy moly.
나 쉬는 한숨 It's thinking me too. 다 말해줘 전부. So sing my way, baby. Let me close you and feel the world move. Fly away, fly away. Blue, 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 blue.
Oh my goodness, his voice.
On and on and on. On and on and on.
Back to black and white. Oh my goodness, Tae Young. Look. Even the way that ended with the stage at the end. This whole thing is a journey and a half. I love it. Holy moly. Honestly, the best part for me already was when it changed from black and white to literally a bluish color. The way he's singing into the mic, but when he's like, swing my way, baby, with the instrumental and the backup singers.
So sing my way, baby. Let me close you and feel the world move. Fly away, fly away.
Oh my gosh, Mr. Kim Tae Young, you've actually outdone yourself. first ever live performances for his new solo songs, and he smashed it. The way each stage was different but also gave the same sort of tone as his music videos, but then they also linked to each other, and we also had different looks, like everything. I swear, no one in this world gets me as excited as Tay Tay, and I'm living for all of this content. We have so much more content to check out together, so stay tuned for that, either on YouTube or whilst we're live or on Patreon. But anyways guys, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But anyways, tune in next time.